Welcome to TinkerSpace. So today let's make laser fence for Agro-Farm. Here we used light sensor as input and a buzzer as output and also a laser light. These all components are connected to TinkerSpace Brain Board where it monitors the input and controls the output. We also use connecting wires and a power module. Now let's connect the components. Here we connected light sensor to input 1 and a buzzer to output 1 and a laser light to power port. Now we have connected all the components. Now let's do the coding.
Now let's do the coding. Open the TinkerSpace app. Now choose your Tinker board. I will select Brain Board. Now click on Create New Project and type your project name. After typing your project name, click on Save New Project. The design space has been opened. Now as per the hardware connection, I will add the input and output devices. Here I added light sensor as input 1 and in output 1 I added buzzer. Now go to the menu and click on Save. The generated design has been saved successfully. Now go to the menu and click on Go to Code Space. The code space has been opened. Now click on Add or Edit Input Condition. Select Hardware Input Condition. First input only. Click on Select this condition. In input 1 sensor off, in buzzer, I will select A on or off and the tone I will keep in 100%. Now click on Save Settings. In the input 1 sensor on, I'll keep it in Do Nothing condition. Now click on Save Settings. Now, in the laser fence for Agro-Field project, in the input 1 sensor off means the light sensor is not detecting the laser light. And in the input 1 sensor on means the light sensor is detecting the presence of the laser light. Here, when an unknown person tries to open the gate without the permission of the owner, in that case, the laser light will cut off from the light sensor and the light sensor will not gonna detect the laser light. So in that case, the buzzer will turn on. So we kept it in 100%. So when the buzzer rings, the household people gonna get to know someone enters the Agro-Field. Now, even if the person closes the door and the laser light will detect it by the light sensor, even in that case, the buzzer will not gonna turn off because we kept it in Do Nothing condition. If we kept it in 0, in that case the buzzer will turn off. So we haven't kept it in 0. We kept it in Do Nothing condition. So the buzzer will keep on buzzering. So like this, the laser fence for Agro-Field project's coding works. Now after the coding, click on Save Code. Now the generated code has been saved successfully. Now go to the menu and click on Upload Code. Here you have two options. First one, USB upload. Second one, Wi-Fi upload. Now enter your device ID. Now I will enter my device ID. My device ID is TinkerSpace So now I will enter my device ID. My device ID I have entered. Now I will click on Wi-Fi upload. To upload the code, follow these 3 steps. Step number 1, turn on mobile hotspot. So set your hotspot name to tinkerspace.in and the password is tinkers123. Step number 2, click on flash or code switch of your Tinker board about 4 to 5 seconds and your board will be automatically connected to this hotspot. Now step number 3, click on search my device button. Now your device is searching and the device is connected. Now click on upload code. Now the generated code is going to the server and now it is uploading to the TinkerSpace Brain Board. The generated code has been successfully uploaded to the TinkerSpace Brain Board. Here we finished our coding part. Now let's do the hardware part.
Now coding is done. Now let's test the project. Now testing is done. Now let's implement it in our model. Here we finish the model of our project work. Here we fixed a laser light. Here we fixed 2 mirrors. Here a light sensor. And over here a buzzer. When an unauthorized person tries to get in this garden by gate, the laser fence will break and we will get the alert through the buzzer.
Hope you enjoyed this project. Download our TinkerSpace app where you can find more model ideas suitable for this project. Do you like gifts? We have some giveaways waiting for you. Just follow the next steps to claim your Tinker gift. Open TinkerSpace app and create this project code as per the tutorial. Then share this code to me by clicking the button Share to Teacher. Here you have to enter your name, school, class, phone number and click Send. We will go through code of each student and we will pick 25 students per month who will receive our giveaway TinkerSpace project. Why waiting? Do this project code and grab your kit for free. Thank you and stay connected.